Hey guys, Chad from down the Fort of Mount Vernon here. Coming from a little bit of a different vantage point today because I do have something very special here. The 24 Jeep Wrangler 4xe. And I will say it's different because of color. How can you not like this green color? I think it's one of the favorite colors I have seen yet. You have to see it in person. And it is a 24. It does only have around 4,000 miles. And is a plug-in hybrid. So it gets around 49 miles per gallon, both in the city and highway. Also, if you want to come over here and take a quick look at the inside, ignore my feet marks on the seat. We'll obviously clean that. But black leather interior, one of the few Jeeps that actually comes with power seats, heated seats, a huge screen, a power top, and again, I want to hit on it again because it's my favorite color I've seen yet. This green is awesome. So guys, if you're looking for the off-road adventure, but that car that's cheap on your pocketbook with gas, come in and discover the only difference.